Hiboy is a very young brand in the micro-mobility industry, but they've already had a wide range of products from e-scooters, e-skateboards, to e-bikes. We tested their e-scooter not long ago, and now we are going to review the Hiboy P10 e-bike. The Hiboy P10 is probably the smallest folding e-bike I have ever used. It is even smaller than the Go Trucks bike that I tested not long ago. It features 12-inch air tires, which are tiny in the world of e-bikes, but they are still significantly larger than e-scooter tires. Therefore, the tires can still absorb shocks pretty well when riding on rough roads. Besides, the saddle is fairly thick and comfortable for long trips. The bike comes assembled out of the box and is almost ready to use. You just need to attach the pedals and fenders, fill the tires, and fully charge the battery before first use. Although the Hiboy P10 uses tiny tires, it's not really a compact e-bike because of its design. The big battery is mounted into the middle of the bike, so the frame is unfoldable. You can only fold the front stem down and lower the seat post. Fortunately, it is still compact enough to put the whole bike to my car trunk. This is important for mixed mode commuting when you park your car miles away from your workplace and need the bike to complete the trip. The battery works pretty well at the moment and I have no complaint. If you run the bike in poor electric mode, it could last about 18 miles, and when you use in pedal assist mode, it could reach nearly 30 miles. Even when the battery is drained out completely, you can keep pedaling to complete your trip. However, battery is almost my biggest concern because it is difficult to replace, and Hiboy is not selling replacement battery at this time. It might work great now, but after a few years, you could be in big trouble finding this battery. The P10 is powered by a 350-watt rear-drive motor, which is quite powerful. This is not the fastest e-bike, but the max speed of about 15 miles per hour is good enough for most average consumers. I also have no problem climbing some low and short inclines. The riding experience is not smooth because it uses a cadence sensor, just like any other budget e-bike on the market. The motors will kick in as soon as you start pedaling, so you should get used to it before hitting the road. The sudden speed boost might surprise new riders. The dual disc brakes are quite fast and responsive to avoid accidents. I also love the large LED headlight and tail light, which are helpful when riding at night, and you don't have to spend extra to buy the lights. To conclude, let's check out pros and cons of the e-bike. Pros: reasonable price, good battery life, powerful motor, comfortable for short trips. Cons: jerky and laggy riding with cadence sensor, unavailable replacement battery, bulky design. The Hiboy P10 is a good budget e-bike, but I wouldn't recommend it to big and tall riders. It is ideal for people who are under 6 feet tall and weigh less than 220 pounds. Besides, I also hope that Hiboy will make its replacement batteries available soon.